Hello everyone. Here I am to share my unique way of setting yogurt in instant pot for winter. Could you believe this way yogurt gets done in 5 hours itself? Yogurt will be perfect and super thick. This is my yogurt in 5 hours at 5 degrees Celsius. Usually it takes around 8 hours to set yogurt in instant pot. You can save literally 3 hours of time even in winter. Thus you can imagine how fast yogurt will be done in summer. Let's get started. First add yogurt starter in a bowl. Mix it well. Then add warm milk. Warm milk always helps to set yogurt faster. Mix yogurt starter and milk well. If you want, you can add either red or green chili for faster setting. Instead of making yogurt directly in instant pot or in a big bowl, I prefer making in two bowls. To use one bowl after another. Thus yogurt stays fresh in fridge for 4 to 5 days without getting sour. This is my second bowl for yogurt. I'm showing with two kinds, Pyrex and steel. Steel bowl retains warmth well, thus helps for setting yogurt faster. Now here is the trick. Instead of adding normal water at the bottom in instant pot, add 3 cups of hot water, right enough to get the steam. It helps to incubate well. Or you can add 3 cups of normal water and use salt mode to heat up the water. You can use salt mode with normal heat for 2 minutes or more heat for 1.5 minutes by pressing salt one more time. It's good enough to get the steam. Then cancel the salt mode. Stack the yogurt balls inside. You can use any lid on top, as yogurt mode doesn't need instant pot lid. For more pot and pot tips and tricks, check my video from description below. Set yogurt mode for 5 hours. As you see, yogurt will be ready in just 5 hours. If your yogurt needs little more time, set yogurt mode for 1 more hour. The best way is to set yogurt in daytime, as it's more warmer than night. Depending on temperature, this way yogurt will be set in maximum 5 hours only. You will have better idea based on your room temperature how fast it's setting. It's such a big time saver. Hope you like my unique idea. See you again with many more tips and healthy recipes. Thanks for watching.